gloves. We're trying new colors today. Okay, this is prepped just like any other shirt. This is just a spiral. So soaked in soda ash for 20 minutes or more. It's spun out in the wash machine until damp. And then spiraled. And if you are a beginner here and you don't know how to spiral, there's a link in the description box below to another video of mine with spirals. So you can bounce between the two, learn how to spiral, and check out these colors. Okay? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I got really bad shadows in here. What the hey. Look, I've been cheating on you. Okay, I opened this one already. I got these back in October, and I had every intention of sharing these colors with you, and I was in the middle of big show season. But I'm here now, and I saved some. I saved some for you, okay? So this is Seafoam, Dharma Trading, natural fiber Procyon dye, works with natural fibers. The specified mixture for this, if you're going to use liquid, is 2 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water, okay? We're going to do a hot water irrigation because we want to see how it breaks out. Plus, the gratification is a lot quicker. So, are you ready? Here's some Seafoam. La 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 la. Look at this color. Can you see? I can never get the light right in here. You guys, this color is so soft and so quiet. And look, and look, and look how beautiful. And we're just gonna sprinkle it around. Wait till you see how it breaks out. I'm so excited. And we're going to be using just a couple teaspoons across this shirt. I'm only going to do one side because that's how I roll. Just like this. Beautimous. It's a good liberal coat. I do these coats very liberable. I just made that word up. It'll be in Webster's in 2 weeks. I do these very liberal because I really want you to see, like, this color. And then we got our little sidecar of soda ash, and we're going to zhuzh it again just to give it a little bit of support. Just to keep those colors bold and vibrant. Okie doke. Oh, let's put the kettle on. Okay, pardon my reach and pardon my steam. Oh, wait, I want you to see it. I want you to see it. Hang on. I'm going in left-handed. Look, wait. Look, you see it? Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh, I love this color so much. Oh my God, look at this color. It's such a shocker. Like, it's a stunner. Like, it's like, I'm going to be lemon lime. And then it's like, no, I'm not. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love this color so much. All right, I'm going to pour with my right hand. Sorry for my reach, but you guys saw it already. Oh my God, I love this color. Slow and steady wins the race. Oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, I love you, Seafoam. Like, I love this color so much. Like, my next cat will probably be named Seafoam. Okay, we're going to let her sit. Just room temperature, probably, I don't know, a couple of hours, as opposed to, 24 to 48 hours, sometimes upwards 72. I'm getting real chatty, I'm sorry. But, we're still seaming. I'm just going to move it off the board, and we're going to move to the next color. Okay, we ready? Oh, pardon my little heater running. Tip. And I know I probably said it before, but it's wintertime. Probably got some new people watching. In the winter, let your tie-dye set longer. Don't rush it. I mean, really don't rush your tie-dye. But that's why we do the hot water irrigation, because we want to see our results immediate. Like, I mean, I'm greedy, okay? But I have a little heater in my studio to keep this room, it's not quite 70, but it's as much as I can tolerate. This natural fiber Procyan dye from Dharma needs to be at 70 degrees to cure properly, and it's 72 degrees for 18 to 24 hours. This way, summertime is great, right? Because everything's hot. So in the winter, we run our heater, and we typically let our liquid dyes set anywhere from 3 to 4 days. I don't rush them in the winter. I do a set and walk away and forget. But with the hot water irrigation, regardless of temperature, we still get pretty immediate results. So that's your tip. I'm gonna try to edit this in. Okay, my little heater's working hard. Okay, this is Bluebird. Oh, hey, get in the camera, Tish. Here, this is Bluebird. We've got a little asterisk here, which means double the amount. So this one would be 4 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water to mix this color if you're going to make liquid. So it's double. And are you ready? Are you ready? This color. Look, do you see how rich this is? No, you don't. No, you don't, because we just can never get the light where we want it. Oh my God. This is like the biggest comedy of errors right here. Where's my phone? Hang on. Still can't see it. What the hell? What the hell? Get in the camera. Get your flashlight. There it is. We got it. We got it. That was a... Look at that. So, and do you also see how lumpy? Where the seafoam was very granular and just fell out of that spoon like salt, right? This is more clumpy and thick. It's hard to describe what I want to say. I will show you. This will actually like mold to the spoon. I'll show you. This much more viscous. So the seafoam, we just shook it out, right? Like salt. Look at this baby. This will hold its shape. That's the difference in these two dye powders. So it's going to be real clumpy going on here. And I can get it out of my spoon, but it doesn't have the same flow. So I've got to be careful not to pack it on my spoon, and it just goes out in lumps. Harder to work with. So I'm just going to kind of spread it around. Oh my gosh. Hello, beautiful. Spread it in there, and I use a little bit more than I want to with these double the amount colors, but I think that's gonna be good. Spread that around. Okay, this color. Okay, that's good. That's good. And we gonna get our soda ash and give it a zhuzh. There we go. Okay, put the kettle on. Oh, we record. Okay. Are we here? We're here. All right. Good hot water. Here we go. You ready? Look at this color. Look at this. Do you see this? Oh my. Hello. Hello, lovely bluebird. This color. Look at her shine. Oh my gosh. Look. But you can't. Look. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my gosh. This color is stunning. I cannot wait to see the breakout. Okay, we're gonna let this cool down to room temperature. Should take a couple of hours, and then we're gonna rinse it out and wash it. And I'm gonna show you guys these two beautiful new colors, Sea Foam and Bluebird. See you in a little bit. Okay, you guys ready? You ready? Here she is. Here's the Sea Foam. I know. I love her. I love her. And now you're like, Tish, it's kind of boring. But wait. Let's get a little up close and personal. Here is really, if you double your dose of Sea Foam, look how vibrant you can get. This is a little lighter version. This is about what Sea Foam is. And then it breaks out. And it's just, it's so quiet. And it's so subtle. It's just a beautiful, beautiful companion to color. Then there's my spots where I dripped on it. Whatever. Because you know I'm not going to leave it alone, right? You know I'm going to over dye this. So we got this really subtle spiral in here. And this beautiful, beautiful Sea Foam shirt that's breaking out. And not only into the different components. We're not seeing that. We're seeing the different strengths of the Sea Foam. So you have so much variety with this because it has all of these different strengths of color without breaking out into a multitude of components. I love it. I love it. Let me show you. So when you mix Sea Foam to its potential, 2 teaspoons per 8 ounces, according to Dharma, can you see this beautiful subtlety? So we've got Sea Foam, we've got Celadon, we've got Red Violet, and we've got Robin's Egg Blue in this spiral. But look at that beautiful Sea Foam just drifting around in there. Like, it's so subtle. And I am in love with it. I don't like subtlety. Why does this speak to me? Why, Sea Foam? Why do I love you? So here's Sea Foam. Here's Sea Foam and my confessions of love for it. Now it's like a bluebird. Do you see this? Do you see this color? I can't. Look, there's a cookie hair on it. That just stood out real bright. This color. It's like you could cut into it. You know what I mean? Let's get up close and personal. There's not really a breakout, again, because we are working with a primary, so we have different strengths. So in the center, it was so clumpy and gloppy. See there? See where we had a big glop? And then here's where it mixed out in the hot water. But it still made a spiral in the different strengths of color that happened due to the different amounts of dye globs that were on this. Super strong in the center, and then look how it breaks out. with this lighter color. I'm going to guess that Bluebird is along these lines here. I haven't mixed it yet and used it as a liquid. I've only done it as a hot water. And the shirt's got a hole in it from the manufacturer, so guess who gets a new shirt? Yay, yay, yay. This color. So, really, really heavy concentrated here. You can see that. You can see this breakout, right? So, we're going to do another video and make this into a liquid and just check it out. But I need that instant gratification. See there? This is probably Bluebird right here. Right in between, really in between like Brilliant Blue and Robin's Egg. It's the perfect middle ground. So that's what we did today. We tried 2 different colors. Vibrant and very pastel-y and pale. Which one? Both ends of the spectrum. Which one was your favorite? I still like this. Do you guys ever have that like the pistachio and like Cool Whip kind of dessert when you were kids? I don't know. I just want to eat it. What do you think, cooks? Hey, if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. My channel is loaded with content. Tie-dyeing, crocheting, jewelry making, spirituality, my travels. Who knows? That's why we've changed the name. I say we, as in I'm royalty. Of course I am. It's now Tish TV. I'm so excited. And remember, be peaceful. And be kind. It's important. Look what we did today. We tried 2 new colors. Put a new color into your life, into your wardrobe. Who knows? You might like it. And I'll talk to you soon. What's up, cooks? She's a pretty, pretty girl.